Hi, I'm Jeff Altman, the Big Game Hunter. I'm called the Big Game Hunter because I've been hunting down leaders and staff for organizations for more than 40 years now. Today I want to talk with you about asking for help, coaching, getting advice, things along those lines. Now, more often than not in job search, just like it is in your professional life, when it comes time to ask for help, you're either at the point of desperation or because a partner, a spouse, a person you work with, a manager, a board member, someone along the line has basically told you you need to fix something. Something isn't working for you, and you've got to get better at it. So in job search, most of the time most of the time when I talk with people in my coaching practice, they think that asking for coaching basically translates into I'm going to tell them exactly where to find the job, and they're going to magically get one. And it doesn't work that way. What you really want out of your coaching, what you really want out of asking for help, is advice from someone who's going to challenge all your preconceived notions about what you need to do. Someone who's going to argue with you at times and you can respect. See, one of the things that happens more often than not in job search coaching is, I'll use the example of the wife who nags her husband. I know this is a stereotype, but in this particular case, the stereotype is often very true. The wife nags the husband incessantly. You're doing a terrible job. And I know I'm caricaturing women, but that's how guys hear it. You're doing a terrible job. You need help. Go ask this person for help. And eventually, many people do it to just shut someone up. And it's the wrong way to go into the relationship. What you really want to do, what you really need to do, is to humbly ask yourself, what's not working? Why am I not getting the results I think I need, I think I want? And who can I ask for advice and counsel? And I want to go one extra step and challenge you. And the challenge is that more often than not, the things we think we need are not the ones we actually need. So that's why you need someone who you can trust, who can challenge your preconceived notions about how to go about finding work, how to improve in your work, whatever it is you're searching coaching for, whatever you're asking for help from, and be prepared to listen to them and take action. And I know it's hard because most of us think we're right about everything, and it's exactly the wrong attitude to take. Ultimately, it comes down to something isn't working in your career. Something isn't working in your job search, and you need to correct it. And you need to go outside your preconceived notions in order to figure out what the problem is. And maybe you're right, but I can tell you from experience, 95 times out of 100 people who come to me for coaching are dead wrong about what the problem is. So I want you to hear these next words very carefully because they're said to you with kindness. Shut up and listen. This is Jeff Altman, the Big Game Hunter. I hope you liked today's video. If you did, if you're watching it on YouTube, click the like button that's right below this screen and let people know that you liked it. Write a positive comment about it as well if you like. If you're watching it on my website, which is jeffaltman.com, I want to encourage you to watch some of the other videos there, as well as sign up for a complimentary subscription to my e-zine, which is called No BS Job Search Advice e-zine. I publish it on Tuesdays with advice for job hunters that's good anywhere in the world. While you're at my website, you can also post your resume to more than 50 sites that I have listed there. There's easy to work with career builder links in the right-hand column of the homepage. There's also access to Indeed on the links page and Job Search Universe on the bottom of the homepage, both of which search several thousand other sites concurrently for job leads. While you're at my site, you can also read many of the previous articles I've written for the e-zine, as well as listen to podcasts of my radio show, which is called No BS Job Search Advice Radio. I broadcast it Monday mornings at 9 a.m. Eastern on Blog Talk Radio. I try to give advice for job hunters that's good anywhere in the world. In addition, you can find out about my books and guides to job hunting as well as other people's books as well, all of which are available from Amazon. In addition, if you haven't already done so, send me a connection request on LinkedIn. The address is linkedin.com/IN/the Big Game Hunter. I accept connection requests from people anywhere in the world with two exceptions. Number one, I don't accept connection requests from other recruiters. I want to be clear, third-party recruiters. Number two is I don't accept connection requests from people in countries that are known for spam, scams, and stuff along those lines. Sorry, I got to protect myself. I've got an inbox that gets inundated with stuff sometimes from these countries. So excuse me for being blunt about it. This is Jeff Altman, the Big Game Hunter. Hope you have a great day. Take care.